Okay, so it's a new season. It's Tuesday, so it's Time Trial Tuesday, but we're going to switch it up for this season. So we're doing something slightly different. So we're going to do, rather than trying to set the fastest one-off lap in the same car every week at different tracks, this time we're going to be looking at the official races and trying to do the time trial within those. And I'll tell you what I mean. So this is all the official races that are coming up. And I'm going to pick the BMW M2, which is the new car that's come out. So we click on this. We're not going to register. We're just going to click on it. And here we go. I can register if I want to, but there's this bit here, more ways to race. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to do time trial. And it's ranked, so you can get safety, I think, and I rating, I think, but we'll find out. But we're going to do a time trial, and it's more than just one lap. So it's the best, I think it's your average time over 5 races. So we've clicked on that. What'll happen is we'll get the join time trial, we'll join it, and then we'll see how we get on. Okay, so here we are then. So we've got to do 5 clean laps. We have 30 minutes to do it in. Clock's already counting down, so we need to get on, and we'll see how we can do. Right. So do quite like this BMW. You've seen some of my other videos, no doubt. Enjoying this. Hated the BMW, the old one, the M2, but this one really like. So the key here is we're just going to try and do good, clear, consistent laps, and see what our average time is over 5 clean laps. It's the full Okayama, so it's the long track. Obviously it's the first lap, so grip's going to come up, I think. So I reckon we'll probably do 7 or 8 laps. I'm hoping we can do them all clean. So I've chosen to do this. It was, first of all, it's a suggestion from Jan, one of our Discord members. He suggested doing this. And I think the good thing is it's really good for consistency, because I guess one fast lap you could sort of fluke it, as I did a number of times last season. But with consistent laps, I think it teaches you a different discipline. What I have found with this BM is I never go below 3rd gear. I don't know if there's any corners that really need it. I'm sure there must be, as we go to different tracks, but at the moment doesn't feel like you need to. I don't know what a good lap is around here. We'll soon find out. So you go into second and it just doesn't, there's no, it's already revving out, isn't it? Okay, well this is the first lap then. What have we done? .147. I don't know if that's good or not.
7.767.
We'll try and go quicker. I suspect we're going to need to do 45s, I should think. I'm guessing. Could be wrong. This is the rookie fixed setup car, so it has less power than in the open series. So I haven't tried that yet. Be interesting to see what it's like. So you can just about get away with second there, I guess. Get away with 4th through there as well. Second there. don't think helps. No, we tried second there last time around and we've gone quicker leaving it in third, haven't we? Okay, so what we're going to do here then? .46 flat.
46.09.
I was right about needing to be in the 45s, wasn't I? Oh, but slow through that. Remember, it's about the average lap though, isn't it? So it's not the fastest lap. I would like to get down to a decent lap time and then do 5 of them. That's the plan. So ideally, what I want to be doing is going quicker every lap. That's what I'd like to do. So we are going a bit quicker this lap. And it'll tell me when I've done 5 laps. Yeah, it's quicker in third. I think this one is quicker in fourth, do we? Yeah, I think so. Quite a bit quicker, look at that. I guess this has very much got road bias gearbox, hasn't it? There's very few race cars where you wouldn't use at least second, maybe not first, but at least second. Well, it looks like 44s might be where we need to be. I don't know if we can get into 44s.
5.283. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Quicker again. The thing is, it's about keeping it clean. It's not like my other time trials, as it where I'm all over the place. I mean, I know this track and I know this car, which is helpful, but I am definitely driving within my capabilities to make sure I don't waste a lap by going off. Now, what I could do, I guess, if I was serious, I could have done lots and lots of practice and started with a good lap time to start with, but I think people like to see me struggle as well, like they do. I don't know how some of these other YouTubers do it. They seem to be fast all the time. I have to build up to it, certainly. This lap is not faster, is it? So I wanted to go faster every lap. This isn't going to be any quicker, this one. Unfortunately, I mean, it's not too bad. I might have hit my, more or less my limit then, have I?
45.314.
No, maybe not. If I can keep this to the end, I will get into the 44s. It's a bit better. Gosh. Definitely picking up speed. How many laps have we done? It says lap 5, so we've got a couple of to do, I think. Before it tells us we've done the time trial. Really lost the rear then, which is unusual in this car. It's pretty good on rear grip. Okay, this is a better lap. So mid 44, something like that.
You've set an official time. You can continue to do laps and attempt to improve.
So I'm going to do a couple more laps, I think, because my first lap was like 2 seconds slower, wasn't it?
Lap of the session.
So let's see if I can do a couple more laps. This one doesn't look as good actually, but let's see. Like to go a little bit quicker. Up a little bit of time there, that's good. Lost a little bit of time there. Okay, I'll do one more lap after this one then.
.858.
We can make it our best lap. Good, if we could, or at least close to our best lap. Losing time here, aren't we? Make some up around here. That's the wrong thing to do. Shouldn't have gone down to third there. It won't be our quickest lap, but it won't be too bad. Okay. I think we've done it. We'll stop here. Right.
44.
So we've done 5 clean laps. You don't have to do 5 clean laps in a row. It's just 5 clean laps over the session. So we'll come out and see what that tells us. Okay, so we're back out to the normal screen. So to find the results then, you just go down to your results and stats. And fingers crossed, it should show up. Here we go. Look, time trial. BMW M2 Cup, Okayama. I'm first by the looks of it. But anyway, let's have a look at the actual results. I guess I'm probably the only person who's done it. Yes, look at that. So you've got a week for this video going up. It's Tuesday afternoon. So get out there. Best lap, 44.3. Average over 5 laps, 44.9. So I'm quite pleased. Quite pleased with that. My overall average 45.4 because I did some slow laps to start with, didn't I? So yeah, time trial rating. It looks like I've lost some. I don't know how that works. Anyway, yeah, I'm not sure what it does to your ranking. Maybe it doesn't do anything, but happy with that. So best 5 lap average 44.9. Let's see what you can do. Yeah, good. Okay. Well, we're going to do this every week. So this week was the BMW. Next week it'll be something else, and we'll just keep. I'll try and stick to the free cars, but I might occasionally do maybe a Porsche Cup or a GT3. We'll see. But yeah, give it a go and post your times. Let me know how you get on. All right, that's it. So hopefully I'll see you next time at the track.